First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
All right, guys, so I have my little niece. She's 3 years old. So,
all the way past her butt.
yo, now me.
Hey guys, it's me, Meli-Mel. I'm back with another hair video. So this video will be me creating my first upart wig. And I know you guys saw that disaster I did in the beginning of the video. It was horrible. So I had my sister finish it for me, and it turned out semi-okay. I like it, but hopefully the next time I do my upart wig, it'll come out a lot better. So right now I'm just straightening my hair, and I'm trying to blend it in with the weave that I have in. And I'm just gonna let the music play and just finishing up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and follow, and give a great thumbs up. I do have social media. I have Snapchat as well as Instagram. Thank you so much, guys, and God bless. Have a good one. Bye.
She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.